What's going on, guys? Solo is here, the YouTuber that helps you invest to rest. And in today's video, I'm going to show you guys here how to make an NFT on your phone. Now this video is only how to make the NFT art, okay? So if you want to learn how to make NFT art and be creative, I'm going to show you guys how to do this on your phone using a specific app. So in this video, I'm not going to show you how to upload the NFT on Referral or any of those sites. I'm just going to show you guys here how to make one, and it can either be a photo or it could be a live photo. So let's get on. We're gonna get this app right here. As you guys can see, it's called Motion Leap. It has kind of like a fox. I'll leave the link in the description below for both iPhone and Android. So after you download this app, it's very simple to use. You're gonna open it. So after you open it, you should see this right here, new project. It's very simple to use, but just follow my steps and you'll see how to use it and how to customize and how to be creative. So what you want to do is you want to click new project, and you're going to click on the photo that you want to use for this NFT, because we're going to make the photo come to life. Okay, so if you don't have a photo yet, make that photo, or you can make a photo using this app by using one of the stock photos or something like that. So for this example, I chose my logo for my channel. We're gonna make an NFT out of my logo, and I'm gonna show you guys here how this app is awesome to making photos come to life. And just like NFTs, when you go on Referral, you'll see a lot of the NFTs are like really moving photos, like videos. So I'm gonna show you guys how to do this. So I just chose my image here. As you guys can see, it's just the image. So I'm gonna show you guys here all these things here and how to use it. And there is a pro version for this, but don't worry, the free things that come with this is enough. And if you really like this app, you can buy the pro version and animate it and make it even better. So right here, the first tab right here is called Element. This one was actually pretty cool. They have a bunch of cool things here, as you guys can see, that you could add onto your photo. So this right here is kind of like a smoke. I don't know if you guys can see it on the screen. If I press play, that's how it looks like right there. And let me just put it right here on the side. And they have a bunch of other things here too, like animals and stuff like that. The next one here is overlay, and this is my favorite one because this is basically like an overlay. As you guys can see, they have bubbles, they have this, which is kind of cool. They have this one. I really like this one. As you guys can see the detail right there. And with this bar, you can make it less, or you can even make it more. They have so many types of overlays here that you can use for your NFT. The ones that have the crown on them, that's for the pro version. But you can see that there's a bunch of free ones here to use that are actually pretty good. Okay, and like I said, this is just an example for my logo. There's plenty of creativity that you can use using this app. There's plenty of photos that you can use these overlays and make an amazing NFT out of. So for this one, I'm just gonna use this one. I like this one. Let me put it down a little bit. I like it like that. It kind of looks like outer space. So the next one we got here is beat loops, and this one is actually cool because it adds music to your photo, to your NFT. Then they have effects right here, as you guys can see. This one's actually pretty cool. So if you guys see this right here, if I move it around, it does this really cool effect on my logo. You can make it smaller. Let's press play. That looks pretty cool. They have other effects here as well, like this one right here. I think this is like a okay, as you guys can see, they have a bunch of cool effects. And like I said, all these ones that I'm showing you in this video are free. You can tone it down a little bit. Just this one. And then the ones that have the crown on them, those are the ones that you gotta pay for. So out of these effects, I think we're gonna get this one right here, but we're gonna tone it down just a little bit. As you guys can see, that looks pretty good. All right. So let's go on to the next one. We got here the sky. Now this one doesn't go well with my image, but if you wanted to, this is basically how it works. You click right here, and the background, it adds like a sky to it, which is awesome because it looks like it's actually part of the background. You also have a bunch of other types of skies, and if you just keep going through here, there's a bunch of free ones. Like I said, the ones that aren't free have a crown on them, but all these ones that I'm showing you on this video are basically free. Okay, all of these that you're being seen right here are free, and there's a pretty good amount here, as you guys can see. This one's pretty cool. I like this one. I don't know if I should keep this one. Yeah, I think I'll keep that one. It's pretty good. It looks out of space, so we'll keep that one. But you don't have to add the sky. You can just keep the background yourself. They also have water. They also have water background, but none of them are free at the moment, so you can't use that. And they also have 3D motion. 3D motion is pretty cool. Let me show you what it is here, so you guys can see. It basically moves your image, and it gives it life. I like this effect. They also have this one. This one just makes it go up and down. I don't know if you can see right there, but it's going up and down. It's moving just a little bit, but it's pretty cool. And let's see, yeah, those are the only two they offer right now, but we're gonna keep this one. I like this one. It's like moving out of control. And then adjust is basically just for the brightness that you're adjusting for, or the contrast and stuff like that. Just really basic stuff. Saturation, temperature. Okay, so as you guys can see from my first image that I came in here, it looks completely different. The background, the effects. Now of course I made this in literally less than a minute or two, so you can definitely take your time and make an amazing NFT using this app. And then after you're done making the NFT, after you spend a good amount of time making your own cool NFT that you like to sell, okay, you just press right here, export. And then here on export, you can choose either original. You could go right here to Instagram, press this. You're basically choosing your size, as you guys can see. You're just gonna click original. The duration of the video, you can put 30 seconds or more. And then the quality. Now they offer 1080p free, which is awesome quality. You just press export, and then it should be exporting the project. And then after it's done, it's gonna be in your gallery. So I'm just gonna go to the gallery right here, and then boom, as you guys can see, it's showing it big on my screen right here because I have it on AirPlay. But as you guys can see, it's pretty cool. Obviously, like I said, I made this in less than 2 minutes, but you can definitely make a lot of cool things, especially if you're creative and you take your time, right, and use really cool images. You can make amazing types of NFTs that you can sell on Referral or any other place. And that's basically how you do it, guys. That's basically how you make an NFT art on your phone. I'm pretty sure there's gonna be a lot more apps in the future because this is a new thing that just came about. But this is the app that I found that does it the best. So thank you guys so much for watching. Leave a like, comment below, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.